The inspiration for this video comes from old warehouses that have been converted to lofts. Lofts that have bare walls and bare pipes. Now, we're not shooting lofts, but that was where the inspiration for this video came from. Hi, I'm Ray Scott, and we are going to be doing pipes on visual art photography. So exactly what kind of pipes are we going to be shooting? Well, it's up to you. Now, for me, what I was looking for was usually electrical pipes, pipes that cover electrical wiring or maybe water pipes, something like that. But where do you find them? Well, pipes are everywhere, and depending on what kind of pipes you're shooting will depend on where you find them. For me, I went to the back of shopping centers, of all places, where there are tons of pipes. And you can come up with all kinds of interesting things. Now, it's a very abstract thing, and it's not for everybody. In fact, some of you may be out there wondering, you know, if I'm walking by pipes, why would I shoot them? But you can really come up with some interesting things and use different techniques. Now, this is not about Photoshop, and it's not about Topaz Labs, and it's not about Nik software. But using those programs, there are all kinds of different filters that you can come up with all kinds of different effects. But what this is about is hopefully some inspiration, something to get you out there and realize that you can come up with some really fantastic shots of pipes. So let's get into it.
So this is where it's going to take a little bit of imagination. You're walking by this set of pipes. It's a mess. There's absolutely nothing attractive about this. So what you have to do is kind of project into the future and think, what can I do with this? Because right now, I mean, to my eye, there's nothing that I really want to photograph here. But thinking ahead to what it might be, that's what I was doing. So, first step, crop and change the exposure settings a little bit and maybe even work on the color a little bit. I did that in Lightroom. So it's a beginning. It's not anything that I really want to use, but it's a start. Then, and as I mentioned off the top of the show, this isn't about using different softwares and how to do it. You can do all of these things if you have Photoshop, Topaz Labs, Nik software, and all kinds of other different softwares. This was done in Lightroom in order to change the color to deepen the pipes and the brick. The next step was done in Topaz Labs to get this kind of an effect, but you can do the same thing in other softwares. Now I can work with that. To me, I'm onto something. I kind of like this. It's kind of interesting. It's something that I may put up on a wall, maybe. But it's the next shot that I really, really enjoyed. Turning it to black and white, using a little bit of posterization, and you come up with something like this. And to me, I can see some beauty in this. I can see some value in this. I moved in. I got rid of the clutter, worked on the bricks, worked on the pipes, and to me you have something that is kind of abstract, and it's like, what is that? But it's also kind of attractive, at least to me it is. Be interesting to see how you feel about something like this. I mean, we are really working on something that's a little bit different here, moving it even closer, working on the colors, heightening the colors, changing the hues just a little bit to come up with something like this. Completely different than what you just saw in black and white, and closer, but both to me have an appeal. Now, it's not everybody who wants to put pipes up on the wall. I get that, which is why I think I keep on going back to this one as being something a little bit, I don't know, more artistic perhaps is the word. Changing the hue, the color of the bricks. I've actually just changed the hue of the bricks and the pipes as well. And you can do it, same shot, different hue. Low key. So now you really darken the bricks. You're making sure the pipes are still visible, but it's a low key photo. That's another technique you can use. Or perhaps add a little bit of a glow to soften this very harsh reality known as pipes.
So you saw what I was concentrating on. It'll be really interesting to see how you interpret the whole subject of pipes. Until next time, I'm Ray Scott reminding you, it's not what you see, it's how you see it. And I'll see you soon.